understanding incidence and complexity of obesity and overweight in adolescents. By Viter Ohana Mark Sajjani, Christian Confessor Castilho Lopes, Natasha Zumstajan Bicker, Eduardo Barbosa Lopes, Lucas Castilho Lopes, Maria Eduarda Castilho Lopes, Mashu Daya Hampel Vieira Filho and Fabio Herget Pitanga. Introduction. During recent decades, an alarming increase in the proportion of young people experiencing these conditions has been observed, raising serious concerns about the consequences for the health and well-being of this growing population. The adverse effects of obesity and overweight in adolescents are vast and cover a wide range of physical and mental health problems. Overweight adolescents are at increased risk of developing chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and musculoskeletal disorders, as well as facing psychosocial challenges such as stigma, low self-esteem, and depression. Effective prevention and management of obesity and overweight during adolescence are crucial to reduce the negative impact on individual and collective health, as well as to reduce the social and economic costs associated with these conditions. Objective: to contribute to a better understanding of the complexity of obesity and overweight in adolescents, as well as to help in the development of effective and comprehensive approaches to preventing and controlling these conditions, aiming to promote the health and well-being of adolescents. Methods. This study constitutes a systematic review, classified as exploratory and descriptive. The preparation of the research was a bibliographical search in electronic databases on methods associated with RSL, systematic literature review, and the applications of smarter, simple multi-attribute rating technique using exploiting rankings. Results: a comprehensive systematic search of the literature yielded 4125 articles referring to the incidence of obesity and overweight in adolescents, of which 22 articles were eligible to be included in this systematic review. Early childhood adversity, whether emotional or physical, is linked to long-term negative effects on physical and mental health. Chronic stress resulting from these adversities can affect growth and well-being throughout life. The need for comprehensive educational programs on nutrition, involving schools, parents, and health professionals, is highlighted in light of inadequate eating habits and decreased physical activity among adolescents. Conclusion: the incidence of obesity and overweight in adolescents represents a significant public health challenge that requires urgent attention and coordinated action at multiple levels. By prioritizing nutrition education, promoting regular physical activity, and access to healthy foods, we can not only reduce the incidence of obesity and overweight among adolescents but also improve their quality of life and overall well-being. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.